What is up, everybody, and welcome back for another episode of Jesse's Drone Adventures. Today we are actually heading back to Roosevelt Lake, Arizona, because last time I was there and I was shooting video for my Roosevelt Dam video, I actually discovered another smaller little dam out there. I guess it's called a diversion dam and power canal because it actually had a lot to do with the creation of Theodore Roosevelt Dam and the town of Roosevelt Lake, Arizona in general. So we're going to go back out there, check it out, do a little walkthrough. I'll give you guys some information on the place as we're checking it out. We're going to get some damn pictures, get some damn video, and overall, just check out the damn place. So let's get going. All right, guys, so we just got to the old diversion dam here in Roosevelt Lake. It's right there. You can probably hear the water. So now we're going to walk over there and check it out. Let's go. Oh, that must have been the old building right there that they used to generate the power. Have a go at that. Okay. This is neat. Cool. All right, so we're gonna walk around a little bit, take some pictures, get the bird up in the air, and then we're gonna walk up there and see if we can get inside. I got a feeling we probably won't be able to, but hey, we're gonna try. This wouldn't be an adventure channel if we didn't. I mean, can you imagine if the Goonies didn't continue their exploration and if they went up Troy's bucket? The rest of the movie would have sucked. Okay, so a quick history lesson. This here was originally built in 1904 and was considered finished by 1906. I do believe that up there is the original structure. This right here, the actual dam part, has actually been modified over the years, so it's not as original as it once was, but I mean, it still kind of maintained its identity. And that up there was where they generated the hydroelectric power. This is cool. The forecast looked pretty mellow all around the state of Arizona, so we shouldn't have to worry about any flash floods. We definitely could not have come here at a better time. It's a great day, not too hot, not cold. The sun is shining. Have a go at that water, lads. I don't really know what these cement blocks were for. I couldn't really find anything in the book or on the web that signified what they were used for. But if you know, let me know in the comments section down below. I so wish we could cross over there, but I'm not really dressed for that. So a quick fun fact, if you go online and go to like the Bureau of Reclamation website and filter Roosevelt Dam, you can find a whole bunch of black and white photos during the construction of the Theodore Roosevelt Dam. This building was used for hydroelectric power. I found two different sources on the web that said it was either used to supply power to the general Roosevelt Lake area for all the citizens that lived there during the construction of the dam. Another source said it was used to supply power to the machinery that was used in the creation of the dam as well, too. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks like at one point there was like a ladder right there. I'm sure they probably dismembered it for safety reasons. Wouldn't blame them. But let's go. This way looks more interesting. Shit. Ugh, crap. I didn't wear my hiking shoes. I wore my dress shoes, so this might suck a little bit. See? Yep, these are like something you'd wear to like a freaking prom or a business meeting, not to go hiking. Actually, we'll check this out real quick. Don't fall. Okay. So besides the amazing views out here, the really cool part is this was super easy to get to. There's a parking lot right there. It's a super short walk. And you can pretty much walk anywhere around here and take a look at the place. All right, so now we're gonna hike back up there and hopefully not die because, well, I gotta work tomorrow. Okay. We made it to the top. Okay, so now that we're up here, we're gonna walk down. There is some foundation right there. And we're gonna see if we can get in the building because it looks like there's a door. I got a feeling we won't be able to get in, but we're gonna try. If I don't slip and fall on my arse first. Don't know what that is. If you know, post in the comments section down below. And here's the door. There's rocks in front of it. Is that welded shut? That is welded shut. Okay, they don't want us going in there. Maybe we can take a peek because there's a little hole right here. Friggin' thorns. Ow! Well, you can't really see a whole lot in there. We're gonna walk down there. I saw pictures of that on the internet. I do believe that was a crank that let water in. Spoiler, I was actually out here yesterday a little bit, but I wasn't the most well prepared with my cameras because I wasn't expecting to see this. And I almost slipped right there. Scared the jimmies out of me. Okay, this is the part that I saw on the web. Now, this was actually a crank that was used to let water in. When it was originally constructed, it was a hand crank. And I can imagine whoever had to hand crank it probably has Popeye arms, or had Popeye arms. But they actually redid it in the it was the mid 1930s, and they made it electric. So that way people didn't have to hand crank it anymore. And I do believe, oh, did they seal them? There used to be little intake gates right there that would let the water in, and then of course, bring it into the building and let it do its thing. Now this right here, I saw on the web as well. Looks like it's some sort of steel grate. I would imagine they used it to kind of keep out like debris, logs, branches, tree limbs, things like that. I really don't know if I want to go back here, but we came all this way. Ah, there's actually a little ladder right there. If I wasn't out here by myself, I'd go down there. So we're just gonna continue to walk around and check out the place. Look what we got here, guys. We got a cairn. That's cairn, not Karen, like you see on Facebook and YouTube and Instagram that keep asking for the manager. Cairn is just a fancy way of saying trail marker. You tend to see a lot of them out here in Arizona. Big hiking state.